Good day.
And welcome to our channel.
Today, we're going to fix this dead electric knapsack sprayer. See, there is no light, no sound, no hope. We'll try to revive this sprayer.
CPR, but for farm equipment.
We'll open this up to check the battery and maybe broken wires.
Because 90% of broken electronics are just tired.
The common causes of this problem are the defective switch, broken wires, and a disconnected or drained or dead battery. Now, we will check the voltage of the battery using a multimeter.
Oh, the battery is not connected. Congratulations, you found the problem in just a few minutes.
The battery is good, so we'll reconnect it to the circuit.
We are now reconnecting the battery. Before we forget, we just want to say, if this video helped you even a little bit, we'd really appreciate a like. And if you feel like sticking around, subscribing genuinely helps the channel more than you might think. No pressure at all, just happy you're here and spending your time with us. We really appreciate it.
And now for the big moment.
And there we go, power restored.
And the only cause is
a disconnected battery. Although the repair of this sprayer is complete, please do not leave yet because we still have one sprayer to repair. The problem with the next sprayer is that it does not charge.
So please join us again and see what the cause of not charging is. We'll check the charger first if there is a 12 volts DC output.
Here's the extension cord, so you can plug the charger.
Thank you.
It seems that the charger is good. Its indicator light is working like normal.
We'll check the output. There is about 14 volts DC. So it's good. Now we'll check if the charger is connecting to the sprayer's battery. Unplug the charger from the AC source and connect it to the sprayer. If the charger light indicator lights, it means the connection is good.
It doesn't light.
Meaning, the charger is not connecting to the battery. So, we will remove the cover and check the connections inside.
The screws are rusty.
Yeah, so it needs a little patience in removing these screws.
Maybe there's a broken wire inside. A wire going to the battery.
Maybe. Now we will check if there is 12 volts at the charger socket.
12 volts DC is present. So what's the culprit?
A loose connection in this socket. We'll remove it and check its prongs, maybe loose, corroded or rusty.
It's rusty.
Corrosion prevents good electrical contact. Let's clean the metal prongs by scraping the rust.
So, that's the reason why the sprayer is not charging. Not the charger, not the battery, not the wires, but the metal prongs at the socket. As I have said earlier, they are tired. They aged. The power stops right there, because the prongs forgot how to do their job. They are tired.
And let's put some oil using this brush. Clean until the prongs are free of rust.
Just teaching them the basic hygiene, huh? If they still look sad, replace the socket and move on.
Let's try to plug in the charger.
Wow, it works.
Now, let's plug the charger into the AC socket.
The indicator light turns red, so it's now charging.
Yeah, it's charging.
Wow, it's all because of rusty prongs.
Now the sprayer is charging perfectly. We hope you found something valuable in this video. If you did, please feel free to share it with others and consider subscribing, it really means a lot to us.
Yeah. Please subscribe to our channel, and to those who have subscribed, thank you very much. You keep us going.
And now, let's assemble this sprayer. The repair is complete. So if your sprayer won't charge,
Don't rush to buy a new charger or replace a perfectly good battery. Check the charging socket first. Get rid of rust. We really hope that you learned something and have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much for your time and for joining us.
thanks for watching.